Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to build Santa's workshop in 99 Nights in the Forest, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to be able to build Santa's workshop, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and actually help all of the elves. So what I mean by this is that, as you can see, there is a blueprint on the floor, but in order to actually build something, you need to help the elves because they will be the ones who actually, come and build the workshop. So as you can see, the first set of elves is right here. It should be right by the campfire, and what you need to do is you need to make your way over to the Santa sack right here and purchase a ladder, and then go ahead and place the ladder over there. You guys can go ahead and purchase a ladder. You have to purchase all of these things if you want to help all of them. As you can see, there's even a kind of like a helper right here. You will need a lot of coins for that, so do keep that in mind. But basically, once you get all of the required items, you just simply help all of the elves. Once you find them and help all of them, they will themselves come over to the workshop and then help you build it. So yeah, that should basically be it. That is it for the video. That is how to help all of Santa's elves. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.